Hi guys, welcome to my second video of cooking. Today we're gonna make breakfast and it's called breakfast costras. For this recipe we need eggs, we need flour tortillas, preferably large ones, we need chorizo, and we need cheese. That's it. Very simple recipe, but wow, it's one of my favorite. You're gonna love it. Step one, chorizo. We wanna make it nice and crispy. Chorizo is nice and crispy. We're gonna throw 2 scrambled eggs so we can mix it. Basically, we're making scrambled eggs with chorizo, a bed full of cheese that is gonna make our costra. Okay, and we're gonna wait for it to get a little crispy on the bottom. And while we do that, we're gonna put our chorizo. Now that our cheese is a little bit more crispy, what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold it. So this is our cheese layer. We put it in our flour tortilla. What we're gonna do, we're basically gonna fold it, okay? And it's gonna look kind of like a burrito. Now that we have it wrapped kind of like a burrito, we're gonna put it on our pan. And what we want is we want each side to be a little bit crispy. We're done. We're gonna cut it in half. And this is gonna be our breakfast costra. I made a salsa, which is basically fried jalapeño and garlic, and you blend it. It's a really good salsa.